Okay, real quickly, SPOOs are up 13.5 points, trading 13 or 12.88 as we speak. High today is 12.91. R2 is about 12.98.5. You've got the financials. Bush doing with his bailout on the housing. Whoa, bullfight, crazy bleacher crash here on TV. Anyways, financials. The BKX is now trading almost. It hit a high of 71.53. The breakdown in April was 72.90. So we are looking at a 54% rally in the BKX, the banking index here, in 5 days trading, folks. To me, that is not, again, not bull market behavior. Bull markets tend to go up slowly, gradually, and what we've seen here is nothing but a manipulation. All the shorts, you know, when you think about the Fed and Bernanke making his comment years ago about helicopters flying, this is another perfect example of just that, helicopters flying. It's a creative way to get shorts out of the market. Restricted all short selling on 19 financial names for a week plus time, and folks, it's worked. Hats off. You can't fight the Fed, right? We are up, again, 54%. Is it good for the country? I don't know, but it's good if you're bullish on U.S. stocks and you had the inside scoop that this was going to happen and you were picking up financials a week ago and it looked like all hell was coming. And that's it. Hey, I'm still looking at the weekly charts of most of these names. Even Wells Fargo, which went from 20, and I was long some of these names on the call side. Even Wells Fargo, and by the way, I have pushed these off. Wells Fargo went from 20 to 31 here. I mean, even that chart on a weekly basis does not look that phenomenal to me. It hasn't taken out the April high that was around 32. So I think you've got to be careful here. If you took some trades here, to me they're just trades. You got to take some profits. There's nothing wrong with booking profits. The Dow is now up nearly 900 points from its bottom. The S&P is up 90. Again, I said 10 to 15% move. We're now at the solidly 7.5–8% range on the SPOOs. We're trading 12.90, let's call it, which is 90 points up, which is again 7.5%. So we've seen a big chunk of this move. As a trader, again, I'm not a long-term holder. I'm looking at the long-term nature of these charts. The charts have not changed on a weekly basis. We are still in a bear market, and there's no reason if you caught a big chunk of this move to take your profits. Make the trade. Bear market rallies are some of the most vicious that you'll ever see. You won't see a move like this in a bull market. You won't see, hey, the bottom's in, everybody jump on. It's never happened where you've seen a move that just continues and it's going to go up another 50% from here. So make sure when you see a 10 to 50% rally in these financials across the board, for all intents purposes, please take some profits. That's it. That's all I have to say. I just wanted to mention that again, these types of moves are fortunate for those. If you're in these positions, you didn't sell them before, hey, maybe it's a good time to cover them up. Can they go a lot higher? Absolutely. I'm not saying this is the top. I'm not trying to get short them at all, but I'm just saying that take some profits if you've seen some profits. And if you didn't sell before, when you're down at the bottom, maybe get out of some of your financials now when it's not so painful.